मीटिंग के बिना दुनिया नहीं चल सकती। तो मीटिंग कॉर्पोरेट्स में हो, मीटिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स में हो, मीटिंग कैजुअल हो, मीटिंग फॉर्मल हो, मीटिंग इनफॉर्मल हो, वॉट एवर काइंड ऑफ मीटिंग इज देयर, कुछ ना कुछ हिडन रूल्स, कुछ ना कुछ हिडन एटिकेट्स होते ही हैं सब में फॉलो करने के लिए। अब पर हम आज बात कर रहे हैं बिजनेस मीटिंग्स की, कॉर्पोरेट्स में, इंस्टीट्यूट्स में, ऑफिस में होने वाली मीटिंग की। और इससे पहले हम अपने पिछले वीडियो में बात कर चुके हैं कि मीटिंग कंडक्ट करने से पहले आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, व्हाट ऑल एटिकेट्स डू यू नीड टू फॉलो बिफोर यू कंडक्ट एनी मीटिंग। नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट हैज टू बी डन ड्यूरिंग द मीटिंग। ड्यूरिंग के दौरान आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है और मीटिंग के बाद में आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है, सो दैट यू हैव अ हैसल फ्री एंड प्रोडक्टिव मीटिंग। सो let us start. What are we waiting for? First thing, if you are an organizer, then whosoever the attendee is, it's your duty to welcome them. अब वो चाहे आपके ऑफिस से हो, चाहे ऑफिस के बाहर से हो, चाहे स्टेक होल्डर्स हो, चाहे कोई भी व्यक्ति हो जिसको आपने आमंत्रित किया हो या आपने इनवाइट किया हो, तो सबसे पहली ड्यूटी है give a warm welcome to all the attendees. Second point is respect others' time. That means दूसरे व्यक्ति के समय का सम्मान करें। अगर आपको किसी मीटिंग में इनवाइट किया गया है तो प्लीज बी पंक्चुअल, बी ऑन टाइम। अगर आप लेट होते हैं तो आप मीटिंग के ऐसे मोड पे अगर पहुंचते हैं जहां पे आप मीटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, दैट मीन्स देयर विल बी अ hassling around in the meeting room. So please don't be a cause for any kind of hassling in the meeting room. And on the contrary, if you are an organizer, please start the meeting on time so that the attendees are not waiting in the meeting room to get the meeting started off. If there are some attendees in the meeting who are new or who are here for the first time, then don't forget to give them the room to introduce themselves. Give them some time so that they introduce to the rest of the members in the meeting. Let your smart devices take a power nap while you are in a meeting. I hope you have understood what I'm trying to say. Keep your smart devices on vibration or switched off or anything you can do for them so that they do not distract the meeting. There are no distractions with your messages popping up, with your phone calls coming, anything of that sort. If they are on vibration and still if they are disturbing you, then also it's a kind of hassling. It's a kind of disrespect to the people who are talking during the meeting. So make sure you don't use any of the smart devices while you are in a meeting. Let the meetings be interactive. Give your share, contribute your share of thoughts and ideas during the meeting. Don't just go and attend the meeting for the sake of completing the quorum, but be productive and give your ideas too in the topic to be discussed during the meeting. Of course, be a good listener, but that doesn't mean that you're not going to speak. Speak at the appropriate time and be brief and precise while you are speaking. But more or less, don't try to dominate the discussion too. Being a part of the meeting, see that you control your negative impulses and you avoid unnecessary damaging clashes. And alongside, just see that you avoid fiddling with pen, notepad, your smart devices, either with your mobile, either checking up your mail on your device. Don't fiddle with anything that will distract the meeting. So finally, you should keep some time for the question answer session. That means if anybody is having any kind of problem, that could be sorted out easily then and there. And of course, the chairperson has to see that the minutes book is complete for this current meeting. Now, if you are chairing the meeting, then please be loud and clear. Make sure that you are taking care of the timeline you have set for your schedule. And do schedule some breaks during the meeting if you think that the meeting will go for a long period of time. Few more things you have to take care while you are or chairperson of the meeting, that you have to make frequent summaries during the meeting. Then you have to point out the differences, you have to point out the course of action, you have to point out the decisions reached during the meeting, and of course you have to see that the meeting is on track. If it is retracking, then you have to put the meeting on track, that is on the topic again, and see that the meeting finishes in time. Few points to catch up after the meeting. Thank everyone that you all know. Send a thank you email as well. It's obvious. And next is, if you have promised to deliver something, then be prompt on delivering it as soon as the meeting is over. That means do it immediately afterwards. Don't wait for anything. Minutes of meeting should be prepared and circulated across all the departments to take necessary actions. That should be done as soon as possible. If you are an organizer, ask for the feedback. And if you are an attendee, do share your feedback. Now share your feedback in a sandwich form, either in a sandwich form or in a constructive criticism way. So opt for whatever you wish to. And at the end, make the meeting a productive one, make the meeting a positive one, so that everybody receives a positive outcome and is willing to attend the next meeting for further progress.